Everyone, welcome back to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the free certification course provided by this app. And friend, it is a very good opportunity for you if you want your career in data science or data analytics field. So friend, SAP is providing the free certification course on statistics for data science. And friend, you can see here, you will get this type of certificate. It is a sample certificate. And friend, it is absolutely free and you can enroll in this free certification courses from any country. So let's check about this course. So friend, I have provided the link in the description box. Once you open, then you will come to this page. So you can see here, the course name is given. You can see that is an introduction to data science. So let's check about other things. So friend, you can see here, join this free online course to understand some of the basic statistical concepts and practices that are the foundation of data science and the way we analyze data. And friend, this course is available in English language and the subtitles are available in Dutch, French and Spanish languages. So let's check about this course. So friend, you can see here, this course will provide you with the knowledge to understand some of the basic statistical concepts and practices that are the foundations of data science and way we analyze data. And friend, you can see here, throughout this course, you will be looking at how data can be summarized in a variety of ways to give you a descriptive overview of larger data sets and their variations. And you will also explore how data distribution can be understood and compared. And you will learn how to start finding patterns in the data where changes in one variable may be partially. And also you can see, you will learn little about how to estimate likelihood of certain outcomes based on certain prior information. And you will also learn about some common tools available that make this kind of analysis easier. This course is spread over 6 weeks and consistent of lectures and weekly assignments. Statistics can be a complex subject, but in this course, you will revisit the fundamental principles and start to appreciate how it can be used in your everyday life. So, friend, let's check about the what modules you will learn. So you can see here, in the first week, you will learn introduction to the statistics. Then week 2, that is a descriptive statistics. Then correlation and linear regression. Then week number 4, introduction to probability. Then probability distribution, connecting to your SAP solutions, and at the end you have to do the final exam. So after completing this course, friend, you can see here you will get this type of certificate. So on the certificate, you will get your name. You can see here, you will get your name. Then at the bottom, you can see you will get the score what you have achieved in this examination. And at the bottom of the certificate, you will get the QR code as well as the link so that anyone who want to verify your certificate can verify it. And friend, you can use this certificate in your LinkedIn or in your resume so that your candidature becomes stronger. And friend, before going to check how you have to register for this virtual internship, these free certification courses, if you are not subscribed to our channel Mechanical Stream yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, interview tips, then virtual internship program and some other informational video. So please subscribe Mechanical Stream so that you can receive the notification of the videos earlier. So let's check how you have to register. So friend, for registration, you have to simply, you can see here, top right corner, you can see enroll me now is given. So you have to simply click on that, and once you click, friend, then you will come to this page. So here you can see on the top right corner, you can first register yourself, and once you register, then your email ID and password will be created. Then you can directly log in. And friend, for getting the certificates, you can see here something is given. So you can see here. So you can see a record of achievement by earning at least 50% of the maximum number of points from all the graded assignments. So you have to score at least 50% marks. And you can see here also you have to complete 50% of this course material. So these are some certificate guidelines. So please check it and get the certificates. And friend, if you have any query regarding these free certification courses provided by this app, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.